In this tutorial, we'll explore how to navigate and use Gale Presents National Geographic Kids. We'll start with an overview of the resource and then demonstrate how to search, filter, and interact with content. The National Geographic Society is one of the world's largest non-profit educational and scientific organizations and is recognized worldwide as journalism's most trusted name in exploration and discovery. From its founding in 1888, the National Geographic Society has developed the iconic National Geographic Magazine, the popular National Geographic Kids, as well as hundreds of books, maps, and TV programs. Gale Presents National Geographic Kids includes the complete run of the magazine from the first issue in 2009 to the present. You can also access full-text ebooks, including favorite titles and series like Everything and Weird But True, as well as hundreds of videos and colorful photos. Researchers can explore amazing adventures in science, technology, nature, culture, archaeology, space, and more. Gale Presents National Geographic Kids was built with today's young scholars in mind, designed with special features specifically for ages 6 to 14. This resource comes equipped with accessibility features, unique researching tools, and an easy-to-navigate platform that transforms the excitement of National Geographic Kids into a digital experience. Now, let's take a closer look at how to use the resource. Let's begin our exploration of Gale Presents Nat Geo Kids from the homepage. The first thing you'll notice is full-color, engaging content arranged by type: magazines, books, videos, and pictures. As already mentioned, Nat Geo Kids was designed to help young researchers engage with the content and investigate their own interests. We see some of these tools in the sticky toolbar across the top. The Listen tool supports varying needs or preferences. When switched on, any headings and titles you hover over will be read aloud.
Weird but true. Pharaoh's rule.
The tool's default setting is off, so we will return it to that original setting simply by clicking on it again. Explore Topics provides you with the opportunity to browse content based on the topics that interest you most. For each topic, you will see a selection of related magazine articles, books, videos, and photos. The next tool in the sticky toolbar is Browse Magazines. With one quick click here, you will find all the Nat Geo magazines arranged by most recent publication date. After selecting an issue, you can flip through and experience the full-text magazine cover to cover. Search History provides easy navigation back to searches within a given session. Get Link generates an easily shareable link to the exact issue, article, page, or even search result. You can share the link with others to boost collaboration, and instructors can easily integrate links into their virtual learning environments to support deep learning in their curriculum. Let's conduct a search to explore the content more. The basic search bar allows you to quickly execute a keyword search, such as a search for coral reef. Once you execute your search, you will be taken to the search results page. Like we saw on the home page and Explore Topics, the search results page organizes search results by content type. You can scroll through all content types to see a few samples of each, or you can click into one content type. You'll notice an extra content type in basic search results: magazine covers, which highlights magazines with the given search term on the cover. You can apply filters to the search results shown by using the Filter Your Results tool on the right. This tool allows you to further narrow down your results. Let's have a look at the Kids Magazine results. You can click the large Kids Magazine heading, More Magazines at the bottom of the content bucket, or the content type at the top of the page. Let's look at Undersea City from the May 2024 issue. This is the document display page of the selected article. You can read the full article and flip through all the pages of the magazine. The search term will be highlighted throughout the document. Let's begin with some settings in the document view. To view the article in full screen, simply click here. The full screen view feature allows you to flip through the article in a very tactile way, echoing the experience of reading a physical copy of a National Geographic Kids magazine. In this case, there are multiple articles about coral reefs, introducing readers to new concepts and connections like animals that call the reef home, conservation, and how to take action. You can find the audio tool in the document view, which will enlarge and highlight the text as it is being read aloud. There are a variety of settings to best meet your needs or preferences.
The animals, coral polyps the job, builders, a tiny, squishy-looking creature wiggles atop the hard surface of a coral reef.
To exit the full screen view, simply click the X in the top middle of the screen or hit the Escape key on your keyboard. Using the Explore panel on the left, there are some additional ways to explore the content. The table of contents provides access to all articles within the entire issue. By using the Search Within tool, you can find every page a certain term is mentioned in the magazine. The dictionary tool is a very helpful tool if you come across an unfamiliar word in the text. You can type it here and see a definition from Merriam-Webster's Elementary Dictionary. The citation tool provides a quick view of the citation for the active article, including the author and publication date. You may have noticed that the sticky toolbar at the top offers options to print, cite, and get link in the document view. For more detailed search queries, you can leverage Advanced Search. On the Advanced Search page, you can create a highly customized search query using a combination of search terms and options to include or exclude different kinds of content from your results. Now, let's return to the home page by clicking the banner in the upper left. We'll go to Search History to return to our original coral reef search and highlight one more research tool. Below the filters on the right side, you can also utilize the Topic Finder. This tool uses titles, subjects, and words from search results to create an interactive diagram that gives you a visual way to find relevant content. The Topic Finder, viewed as tiles or the wheel, can help you expand your research by discovering new themes or help you sharpen your research by uncovering specific results. Let's click on Ocean. Titles of articles or ebooks will appear to the right, like this one, on sea turtles. This concludes our tutorial. You are now ready to explore Gale Presents National Geographic Kids. The partnership between Gale and National Geographic brings every National Geographic Kids magazine issue to life on an accessible platform that allows for easy searching as well as tactile browsing, perfect for research as well as curious exploration. For further support, including training materials, accessibility information, mark records, and promotional resources, please visit support.gale.com/products.